This is a model I created in Sweet Home 3D, and I'm viewing it inside a web browser. I'm just going to show that to you. So there it is, and it's on the Sketchfab website. And I'm going to show you how you can do this too. Okay, so let's get started. I will close that down. I don't need it. So in the background here, I've got my Sweet Home 3D application, which I've shown in other videos, and this is the house that I built in it, and the model I built with different levels and floors. Now, to get that inside a HTML page, there are several options. I can use the Sweet Home 3D version to export to HTML5, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this export to obj format here, OBJ format, which I'll do now. So I'm going to call it house demo. And just save it there, and that's the whole view saved to an OBJ file. I no longer need that. If I open up the browser, if I open up the File Explorer and I go to the place where I saved it, which happened to be here, it saved two files, the house demo OBJ and the MTL. What I need to do is get those two files, and I need to put them inside a zip file. And that's good enough. housedemo.zip. The next thing is to go off to the Sketchfab website and up the top right here I've got this upload option. Choose my file, and I choose the zip file I just created. Now it's smart enough to work out that inside the zip there is the MTL and the OBJ. Continue. I can put whatever my name is, the description, fill any other details, and it's all good. But it's now creating the model, uploading the model to the web for me. Press continue and wait a sec. And that model has now uploaded and now is appearing. Okay, now that's not so bad. But I can make that better. For example, when I want the page to appear, I can save the default perspective and camera view. Let's just save that. That's now saved. So next time I come back to this page, this is the thumbnail and this is the default view that it will appear. I can also change the background here. So down here in settings, this settings button here, 3D settings. Okay, lighting. I can use, I've got various options here that you might like to experiment with. I'm just going to go back to pretty much default and have I can change the brightness. Okay, a few other options. Animation, I can add an annotation. Let's try that right now. I'm going to add an annotation for the kitchen sink. So I can just zoom in with my mouse, go to a camera perspective I like, and double click. That didn't work very well. There's a few bugs in the system still. Kitchen sink, where you wash dishes. Okay, we'll save that. Let's create a second annotation now quickly. Double click that. That's the skylight. I'll put an annotation on there. There we go. That screen's fixed up now. Skylight. Provides plenty of light. Okay, I can save that perspective and just press OK. If I didn't like that perspective the first time, I can always just adjust it slightly and just press that again. I can create 5 annotations, and that is good. I can save settings, publish, and my model has been published. Now that is the link I can share with all my friends or work colleagues, and just to show you that it works, I'll close down the browser and that page. Open up another browser, type that link in, and there we go. There's my house demo, and that's works like that. And there's the 2 annotations I built. Kitchen sink, skylight provides plenty of light. If I want to go full screen, it makes it look a bit better. There we go. I'm free to move that around the way I want to. Double click, focus on a particular thing, go through it, double click, focus on another particular object. Anyway, and if you want, you can view it in VR. Get a web VR compatible browser if you want, and that looks pretty nice, I think. That didn't take long. And if you're like me, you can have a collection of models. You just type Sean Wazier into the search and you can see just a couple of other models that I've uploaded. One of my cats that you might have seen in a different video I created. And this was there we go. That was a 3D model created from photographs. I can also look at that in full screen. There we go. And you can do that too. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.